Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director at Fairmont Equities. I've been bullish on gold since last year, and one of the reasons is because of increased central bank buying as other countries move away from their dependency on US dollars. Now, there's some recent news out of Saudi Arabia regarding their supply of oil, which will have an impact on the gold price. It might sound strange, but here I'll explain what it all means. Just a reminder, any advice here is general only. Now, firstly, there was a headline recently that China has stopped buying gold, and this did cause a 3% drop in the gold price, but it has since recovered most of those losses. Remember, there is a difference between their words and their actions. As I've seen many times in the past, the Chinese government will say one thing in order to get prices lower so they can continue buying. It's happened with iron ore many times in the past. So they say it's expensive, traders panic in the short term, and then they continue buying. So moving on to Saudi Arabia, there have been headlines that they're moving away from using US dollars to sell their oil. Now look, the headline isn't as groundbreaking as some people will have you believe, because the Saudis have been using other currencies for a while, but it is another indication that there is a trend. There's a trend away from US dollars in global trade, and using anything other than US dollars will need to be backed by gold. So here are some tables to show you the levels of central bank buying. So this table shows us first quarter this year, the little blue column on the far right hand side, saw record purchases of gold by central banks. So we're already on track to eclipse the last couple of years, which, as you can see, were quite high. And this table shows us it's not just China that's buying gold. China here, in terms of purchases so far this year, they're actually ranked number 2. There are obviously a lot of other countries buying up. So demand for gold will remain strong, and as we see that momentum continue to the upside, and as we move throughout the year and rates start coming down, then Western investors will start to join the party as well, and further bid up the price of gold. So if you're looking for more ideas, go to fairmontequities.com, sign up to our free trial. You'll get the trading guide on how we buy and sell shares, and you'll get 8 weeks of our research delivered to your inbox. And if you qualify for our management service, where you have more than $500,000 to invest, you can get my personal help. So give me a call and find out more.